What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Foxwigs review. So you're like looking back and laughing at me. So today's video is, what's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Erin. I know I've been hitting you with a lot of wig reviews lately and I'm not stopping. So today's video is going to be on Foxwigs. The wig did come in this box. I don't feel like I've been featuring the packaging, which I feel like I should because the quality is so nice. Do you want to check it out? Is that neat?
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Jonathan's in here right now. So I already have the wig on my wig like holder, my mannequin, but I just want to show you what came in the box. So it did come in this bag. So in a satin bag, there you go. So it came in this bag. It did come with a nude wig cap, but I also have 2 wig caps. I think they were from my uni wig review. But anyways, before I actually show you what the wig looks like or what it is, I'm gonna ask you guys to give this video a thumbs up. If you wanna keep seeing wig reviews, please give this video a thumbs up so I know what type of content to put out for you guys. You can also, please do subscribe down below and I'll be posting photos of me in the wig I'm about to show you. I like how I just had like a moment with it. You can also follow me on Instagram. I leave the link to my page in the description box, or my handle is @ErinHeartbreak if that's easier for you. And without further ado, it never is. It's so thick too. So this is the Devil's Red synthetic lace front wig. So on my Instagram, I want to say it was after my first wig review, I asked you guys what shade, what color, what did you guys want to see, and you guys wanted red. So fun fact about me, I actually had this color hair in college. So I decided to get a bob and bangs and dye my hair bright red starting my freshman year of college because I just needed to stand out as a freshman. For today's video, I basically wanted to show you what the wig came in. So the box, the bag, and all of that. But I also haven't cut the lace yet. So I'm gonna trim this on camera for you guys today. And then I'm gonna show you how I pull my hair back. And then I'm gonna put the wig on for you. So I'm gonna do the whole 9 yards with you guys. But yeah, this is a beauty. So long. How many inches is this? 24 inches. So this is 24 inches of synthetic hair. Yeah, let's get right into this. Oh, what is that? Oh, hi, Mama. You can make me love you.
See you later.
Bye. Love you. Okay guys, so now that you watched me put my, I know the quality of that really just switched, but I used my iPhone camera so I didn't take up all of my camera battery. So now that I have my hair back, I just do a ponytail or a bun, not a ponytail. I just throw a bun back and I just trimmed all the lace. I am not a wig expert at all. This is just kind of what I think has to happen. That's what I'm doing. So this already has a part. I didn't pluck it or tweeze it or anything like that. You can kind of see the part right there. And the inside of the cap does have 3 clips, so it has them in the front, the 2 sides, and then it has a strap that I can wrap around the bun to make it super tight. So I'm going to put on a wig cap. So I'm gonna go with the nude.
Look at the fucking man.
You wanna kiss me?
Come on, let's go.
Okay, so he's right. I do look like a weirdo. But I'm going to take the brush and just run it through. I don't think I've done this yet, so probably best that I do. Have it come to life a little bit. You see that? How beautiful is the shine? So in the description box, I'm going to leave their website, a direct link to this wig. Obviously, I hate to even say this out loud, but stores already have like Christmas stuff out. So you know Halloween's coming. If you're planning on what you want to be for Halloween, a wig is obviously a great way to elevate your outfit. Maybe you just like wigs for everyday style. So I will have a 30% off discount for you guys. I just can't stop touching it. Okay, I'm gonna put it on for you guys. So I'm gonna secure that top one first. I'm gonna do the sides. So I'm gonna pull it nice and tight and clip it in the back. Okay. So she is on. Look at all of this hair. So here we have the wig from Foxwigs. Just wanted to show you guys exactly what you get out of the box, what you get when you order. Obviously, you're gonna have to do stuff to it to make it look more natural, whether you're brushing it, spray it with some dry shampoo. That's actually a great tip to make the hair look less shiny. But I think this is a great option if you're looking to switch things up or have fun, do something for Halloween. I loved working with this company. I think, oh yeah, this was gifted, by the way. So absolutely loved working with this company. I will leave all the information down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.